Happy Thursday, welcome to my cooking show. Today, I'm gonna make a dessert. After you eat, you want something sweet, delicious, nice, So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna make peaches and cream dessert today. Alright, so what I have here, I have my vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 peaches. My fresh peach I picked from my backyard, from the garden, and remove the skin and the pit. And you can use frozen peaches as well, but I decide I just want to go to my garden and pick some peaches and use. So I'm using 2 peaches and 2 scoops of ice cream, 2 ice cream scoop of vanilla. It's a simple and easy recipe. See? Simple and easy, really easy. Not complicated. I don't want to drag really smooth out, make it look too, So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some chunks of peaches in the bottom of my glass. And some blueberry in the bottom of my glass as well. And some raspberry. Then I'm gonna go ahead. I want little chunks of ice cream too as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add just a couple pieces of ice cream to the bottom of the cup, on top of the fruits. Then now, this thing is delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my. I bet your mouth is running water just watching this. Oh goodness. I'm gonna add the little peaches on top. It's so simple. And there you have it, peaches and cream. Thank you so much. Cheers. Please share your video. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think. Drop your comments. Tell me what you think. Alright, until I see you again next Thursday. Peace.